Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to generate random numbers in Excel. So this could be very useful if you're trying to generate random numbers, and I'm going to show you guys two different commands of how to do it. So the first one is just going to be if you want random numbers. So it's going to be pretty straightforward, so it'll be between 0 and 1. The second command or second function I'm going to show you guys is going to be RANDBETWEEN. So it's going to generate random whole numbers between two different boundaries. So it depends what you're looking for, but the first one's going to be between 0 and 1. So we're going to start it off by just finding a blank cell. And I'm going to start with A1 here. It's usually a good place to start. I'm going to type equals on my keyboard. I'm going to type then capital RAND. And then you want to do a parenthesis. At this point you just want to do another end parenthesis, so just close it off and then hit enter. So this will generate a random number in between 0 and 1. So now since it's a function I can just drag it down, generate as many numbers as we need. So let's say 20. So here we go, we have 20 random numbers between 0 and 1. And since they're all in a function format, if you wanted them as clear text, it's very simple. I'm just going to go up to the top A, I'm going to left click to highlight the whole column. I'm going to right click on A again, left click copy. And then I'm going to paste it over to, let's say, C over here to just get plain text. So I'm going to left click on the C again, like I said on the top, right click on C, and then you want to left click on the clipboard that has a 1, 2, 3 right underneath, which just pastes values. So there you go, guys. Now we just have pasted general text in here, which is very good if you're going to be transposing this over to something else. So once you've done that, that hopefully was able to answer your question if you're doing some probability testing. Now, if you wanted to do a different kind of test, so if you had a data set between, let's say, 1 and 100, this tutorial will cover that. So let me just delete all this. And now we're going to start with an equals, so RAND, between, so no spaces, RAND, RANDBETWEEN, and then you want to do a parenthesis in here. Now you're going to actually type the range, so I'm going to type 1, so I'm going to start at 1, which is my bottom, and then top, so I'm going to do a comma, and then I'm going to type 100. So we're going to do rand between 1 to 100. That's basically how you read this. Then I'm going to hit enter. So you see randomly the first number we picked is 100. So if I just drag it down here, let's say we want to do 20 of them. You see we have generated random numbers between 1 and 100, and just like what we did before, if you just wanted regular numbers, just regular text, not formula driven after you've done this, I'm just going to right click again on the top A, I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to head over to C here, right click, and then I'm going to just paste as value data. And there you go, guys. I hope I was able to help you out. Definitely a neat little trick to know about, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.